Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
ma'am.
you all children. Yes, fine. Yes, Brightlin.
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine, fine.
Ma'am, I was absent in the class because there were no electricity in my home.
Okay, no problem. I'm saying for the revision classes. Revision classes, all of you has to be present. Okay, we are revising one chapter each day. We will plan the revision. Okay, we will plan the revision schedule. But now today we are going to learn measurements. And I told you,
Did you give the
study. We are going to study. I'm going to ask you the formula. Yes, children, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before starting,
Schedule, revision schedule.
no. Today, area and perimeter revision. So I told you to study all the formulas. So children, before starting, we have to know what we learned in measurement. We learned perimeter, area, and volume.
Volume.
Area, volume, and their formulas. So what do you mean by perimeter? Who can tell me perimeter?
Can I?
Yes, Tanya.
The measurement.
Tanya, yes. Perimeter.
The outer layer of
outer,
the 2D shape.
Means the distance around the shape, or we can say sum of all the lengths around a closed figure. So the distance around. So when you see a picture, that will be 2D shapes. The distance around the figure, that is called the perimeter. And I want all the children to on your camera. If you are there only, we can see your face, then only we can see that you are taking the revision seriously. And children, you have to keep a separate rough book for revision, separate workbook for revision. Because children, I told you, we have to do written exam also. And nowadays we are not practicing much writing the steps and all. So what you have to do, keep a separate rough book for doing revisions, for maths. Okay. Okay, Tanya, very good. And so distance around, that is the perimeter. So what is area? Who can tell me area?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anthony.
region covered by a region covered.
Okay.
By
Area, it is the amount of surface. That is inside. Amount of surface or amount of region that is covered by a figure. Okay, so that is called area. And what about volume?
Ma'am, volume is capacity.
That is the space. Volume, we will say how much volume is
contained in a solid object.
Space occupied by a solid or 3D shape.
Solid.
That is
Object is called a
space
volume.
occupied by a 3D shape or a solid. So children, volume, we have 3 dimensions. That is length, breadth, and height. Don't forget that. So length, breadth, and height. So when we write the units, we will write cubic units. Cubic, because we have 3 units. That is 3 dimension. Length, breadth, and height. So cubic unit. So what is the unit for area?
Square unit.
Square unit. If it is given centimeter, you will write square centimeter. If the unit is in meter, you can say square meter. Okay. Now, if it is volume, cubic centimeter, cubic meter and all. Understood? Now, what is the formula? Just we will write it on the board, children. Let me see. Okay. So children, the formula, you have to be very careful. Don't. So I'm writing here perimeter first.
Okay.
Perimeter. Perimeter. What are the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle?
2L
Rectangle.
plus B.
2L plus B.
L plus B inside the bracket.
Plus B.
Okay, so children, when we are doing, those children who forgot and those who have any confusion, we are revising together. So when we do the problems now, these formulas you have to be in your mind. It should be in your mind. So those who have forgotten or any confusion, please listen again. 2 into L plus B. What is this L? Length.
Length. B means breadth.
B means breadth. See children, here we have only 2 dimensions. So this is 2D figure and all. So perimeter we have, we will write the unit as centimeter, meter only.
Meter.
There is no square or cubic.
Square
for this.
or cubic.
Okay, rectangle 2 times L plus B
2 plus
and square. What is the perimeter for
4 into S. 4 into S. 4 into S.
4 into S?
4 into
S
X.
means one side. Okay,
S
one
means
side.
side.
Why children? This is 4S because square all
4 into S.
sides are equal. All the sides are equal. So if you know one side, we just need to multiply it by 4. So children, we are going to do the formula for finding area. Area.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Square, centimeter, square, meter.
Okay. Area of rectangle. What is the formula?
L into B. L into B. Length into breadth. Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. Then we will write square unit. Okay.
Square unit.
Unit. And area of
B.
square.
S into S. Square unit. S into S. Square unit.
Side into
S into
side.
S square unit.
Square unit. Side into side. Square unit. Then children, we learn for this triangle. Area of base. Okay. So children, this B represents base length, base length, and this is height. Okay. So half of BH, that is the formula to find the area of triangle. Next one, children, we are going to learn volume. Volume means space occupied by a solid figure, or we can say 3D shape. The volume of a cube.
S into S.
That means side into, again side into.
Side into side into side.
Okay, here children, the unit is cubic.
Cubic
So we can say only CU unit.
unit. U dot CM.
So children, cube also here we know all sides are equal. That's we are writing side into side into side. Next we learn volume of cuboid. What is the formula?
B into X. L into B into X.
Length into breadth into height.
Cubic units.
Cubic units.
Revision test.
Revision test later. Okay, children, we have to complete little more.
Excuse
So
me, ma'am.
okay. Yes.
Can you show the board once again? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anthony.
Ma'am, can you show the board again? Ma'am, what is the perimeter of triangle?
Triangle. We can add all the sides. A plus B plus C. Okay, all the sides. Because perimeter means it is the distance around. So maybe sometimes all it is different sides. So we can just need to add all the sides together.
And then
Okay.
volume of a cone.
We are only learning this much. Cube and cube. Okay. So children, now we just discussed what are the formulas and what is perimeter, what is area, and what is volume. Now children, we have done the formula, means problems. That means to find the perimeter, find the area, find the volume and all. Now, if the perimeter is given, how to find out the missing unit, or if it is length is missing, perimeter means if you are doing 2 into L plus B, maybe L is given, B is missing, perimeter is given. Like that we have. Children, we will do the revision text in the next period, not MCQ. I told you, no, written test only. But now we are going to do page number, all of you play page number 100. Page number 100. Workbook, page number 100. Okay, who got the page number 100? And we are going to do question number 21. Did you get the page, Ammu? Read question number 21.
Find the length of the sides of the squares with the given perimeters.
Okay, children, perimeter
In
is given.
centimeters.
Find the length of the sides of the squares. Squares, children, we know all sides are equal. So if they are asking, find the length or find the breadth, all same only. Okay. So first what we had to, we can do this together. Write the steps. We have discussed the formulas. Question number 21. Children, page number 100. Question 21. So perimeter is given and it is for square. Perimeter of the square. Perimeter. You can write together. Perimeter of the square. Yes, Blesswin, can you tell me the formula? Blesswin, perimeter of the square. Can you unmute? Dia. What is the perimeter of the square? Can you tell me the formula? Yes, Felix.
4 into sides.
4 into side. So children, 4s and that is given. What is given? Felix, can you look at question number A? The perimeter is given.
80 meter.
80 meter. Okay, children. 80 meter. 80 meter. Now, children, look at the question. Find the length in centimeter. We have to find out. Find the length in centimeter. So, first of all, we have to find the side in meter. Then you have to convert into centimeter. So, the length of side that we have to find. The length of side. 4 into s is equal to 80. So to find the length of one side, what we have to do? The length of side of the square. Yes, children, you have to tell me what we have to do. 4 into s is equal to 80. 4 into s is equal to 80.
Divided by 4.
Divided by 4. Very good.
Divided by 4.
So 80 meter divided by 4. What's the answer? 20 meter. 20 meter. Now children, look at the question again. It is find the length in centimeter. You know 1 centimeter is equal to how many? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter.
1 meter.
1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Very good.
100 centimeter.
100 centimeter. So 20 meter is equal to 20 into 100.
20,000.
So children, write 20, then add 2 more 0. What's the answer?
2000 centimeter.
Write 20, then add 2 more 0 because we are multiplying with 100. 100, we have only 2 0. So this is only 2000. Okay. So 80 meter divided by 4 is equal to 20 meter. 20 meter. Then 20 meter, children, 20 meter is equal to 20 into 100. So what's the answer? 2000 centimeter.
Ma'am, I don't understand how it become 200, 2000.
Anandesh, 20 meter.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now the question is convert this into centimeter. You have to give the length in centimeter. So what is 1 meter? How many centimeter? 1 meter?
Ma'am, 100.
100. So 20 meter will be 20 into 100.
Ma'am, 20 into 100 is 2000.
write 20. Then add how many 0?
Yes, okay, ma'am. Understood.
Write 20, then add 2 more 0. So this is only 2000 centimeter.
Ma'am, we should write 20 meter equal to in next line.
If you have place, you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So we can write therefore the length of side, that also we can do. Therefore or so. Therefore, length of one side. Length of one side is equal to 2000 centimeter. So children, can you do the next one? It's 72 meter.
Can I say answer?
Huh?
18. Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Don't say the answer. Don't say the answer. All of you has to do alone. What do you have to do? Perimeter for us equal to, instead of 80, there we have 72. Find out the length of one side, convert into alone. All the children has to do alone. Don't say the answer now. Question number B. 21B. So same like this, perimeter of square. After doing, only check from the answer from the board. Perimeter of square. That is given. That is equal to 4s. That is equal to 72. That also given in meter, 72 meter. So length of one side. Length of one side. I hope all are doing alone. Length of side is equal to, what we had to do? 72 meter divided by 4.
Ma'am, can you show the
What's an?
page?
Which one?
Ma'am, can you tell the page now? A question 21st A. Okay, ma'am.
Perimeter, then
Can you tell the page number?
convert. Okay, that much only. Perimeter, length, then convert. Only that much step. 72 divided by 4. What's the answer, children?
18.
18 meter.
18 meter.
Now what we have to do? 18 meter convert.
18 meter divided by 4.
What?
Excuse me, ma'am, you send the notes, right?
18 into 100.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you send the notes, right?
So the answer is 18 meter. Just meter to centimeter. What do you have to do? Multiply with 100. Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100. So multiply with 100. So what we'll do? Therefore, the length of side.
I got the correct.
Okay. Therefore, the length of side, the length of the side of the square.
Ma'am, I thought you was going to tell that 80 meter. That's why I tell 80 meter divided by 4, 20 meter.
So what's the answer?
1,800.
1,800
800 centimeter. 1,800 centimeter.
centimeter.
Yes, children, this is same step like question number A, and I hope all of you have completed. The perimeter is given because since this is a square, if it is square, then we have to use the formula 4s. 4s is equal to 72. So what is one side? 72 divided by 4. 18 meter. If there the question is just find the centimeter in meter, this much only step. Okay, children. But here the question they says convert or give the answer in centimeter. That's why we are converting meter into centimeter by multiply with 100. Therefore, the length of the side of the square is equal to length of side 1,800.
1,800 centimeter.
Children finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Madhav? Yes, Madhav? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Abhimanyu, where is your book? We are doing page number 100. Page number 100. Now, next question number 22. Okay, Anusri, can you read question number 22?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
A. The length of rectangular hall is 30 meter and its perimeter is 100 meter. Find the area of the hall.
Okay. So children, here length is given, perimeter is given. But we have to find the area.
Ma'am, I should get B also.
No. Tell me here, Anusri,
Okay, ma'am.
what is the question? We have to understand the question. The length of the rectangular hole is given. That is, length is given, perimeter is given. Can you first tell me what is the formula to find the area of rectangle?
Length into breadth. Ma'am, length into breadth.
Length into breadth.
L
Ah.
into B.
So who is missing here? What is missing here?
Area.
Length is given.
Breadth is
Breadth is missing. Okay, breadth is missing. We know.
From perimeter, we will get the breadth.
Yes, we will do step by step. So length is given. From the perimeter, we have to find out the breadth. Then it is
Then
easy. Area
it
is equal
into-
to length into breadth.
Into breadth.
So, what is the perimeter of rectangle? What is the formula?
2 into
L
L into B.
Plus B.
2 into
Okay. Now
L
let's
plus
do
B.
together. Okay, Abhimanyu, sit straight. Sit straight. We are doing maths. We are not reading stories. Okay, math. All of you, please be very attentive. Question number 22A. Perimeter is given. So length is given. So children, the length of the rectangular hole, that is given. What is given? We have to write first. The length of rectangular hole. Length of rectangular hole is given. What is that?
30 meter.
30 meter. The length of rectangular hole, that is 30 meter. And its perimeter also given. Perimeter of the hole.
100 meter.
Perimeter of the hole.
100 meter.
100 meter. Okay. Now children, 100 meter. Now we can use the formula. We have to find out the breadth. So perimeter means, what is the formula to find the perimeter? 2 times L plus B is equal to 100. Okay. So children,
And we should do the opposite of it.
children, you will learn in higher classes how to find or how to find solve. So children, if you want to find like a left hand side, right hand side, if it is a plus on the left hand side, when you take that to the right side, it will be opposite of addition. Opposite of addition is what?
Minus.
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 Okay.
Minus.
And if it is multiply, what will be the opposite? Division. That you children, you will learn in your higher classes. So it will be little difficult now, but when we do more practice, it will be easy. Yes, Agni, you have any? Yes,
And I
Agni?
got the breadth.
Breadth. Okay.
I
Wait.
also got.
Wait. Those who got, please wait. So children, here we can do different methods here. What we have to do? I told you, children, what we will do in this is left hand side. Those children, I told you, these all things you will learn in your higher classes. Now listen carefully. How can I explain is here? Left hand side, this is RHS. Okay. So here children, 2 into L plus B. So 2 multiply. So if I am taking this 2 to the right side, children, what did I say? Opposite of multiply. What is that? Divide. So L plus B is equal to 100 divided by 2. What is 100 divided by 2?
50.
Okay. Children, now length we know. What is that? Length is given as 30. So we can substitute instead of L, 30 plus B is
50 minus 30 is equal to 20.
Okay. Otherwise, children, you can think mentally. 30 plus which number you will get 50?
20.
That way also you can do. 30 plus how many numbers you will get the 50. That is on the right side. So that is B is equal to
20.
otherwise B is equal to 20. Otherwise, children, what did I say? B is equal to, take this 30 to the left. So 50 minus 30. I think we have learned like
I
this
didn't understand.
for addition.
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Which one? Which one?
Ma'am, this problem. This
Ah.
2 into L plus.
So, Anthony, here, if I am writing here, 2 into one number is equal to 120. Okay. So, I know that is 2 into 60. 2 times
Yes, ma'am.
60 is 120.
Yes, ma'am.
And to find the unknown that I told you, you will study in your higher classes. Just I can help you what we have to do.
Can you share the
It is
screen?
LHS. 1 minute, I mean. Left hand side, if it is multiply, if you are taking to the right hand side, you have to do the opposite of multiply. So 2 into L plus B, that means 2 is multiplied with L plus B. So when you take 2 to the right side, what do you have to do? Opposite of multiply. What is that?
Divide.
Ma'am, 2 divide. 2
Divide
divided
by 2.
by. Yes, ma'am. 2 divided
Divide by
L
2.
plus B.
Okay, same method, children. If it is at two numbers, when you add, you are getting, see, 2 plus dash equal to 5. 2 plus dash
Two
equal to
into
5.
2
2
into
plus
3.
number is
3.
5.
2 plus 3.
How you got that?
By adding.
3 will be
Adding.
subtracting.
All others,
I
please be,
subtract.
all others, please be quiet. I'm asking Anthony. 2 plus
Ma'am, 5 subtract by 2.
5 minus 2. When you add
Yes,
3,
ma'am.
you got 5. But how you know it is to be added 3? You are subtracting. That we are learning in our smaller classes. Okay. 10 plus dash equal to 50. What we are doing? 50 minus 10. So you'll get 40. Otherwise, we
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
find out. Okay. So we will check again here. All of you
Ma'am, I
listen
did
here again.
another
Okay, ma'am.
way.
Okay. 1
Ma'am,
minute.
I
1
did
minute.
another way.
Yes, Anadesh.
Ma'am, I added length into 2.
Then did you get the answer?
And the remaining I divided by 2 and got the breadth.
What's that breadth?
20.
20. Okay. No problem. So children, 2 into L plus B. Either we can substitute length here also. There are many methods. We can substitute directly 30 here also. But children, any method we can use, no problem. Instead of L, you can substitute here 30. But I'm substituting in the next step only. Because children, you have not studied this in your class. I think in the next year and all, you will start learning this.
We want to write now this.
You have to write this now. This is not needed. Okay, so children, what is the question? The length of the rectangle is given. The length is given 30 meter. Perimeter also given. Perimeter of the hole is
100
equal to
meter.
100 meter. Then this perimeter, we know the formula. Instead of this perimeter, children, we are using the formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is equal to 100. So children, I'm taking this 2 to the right side. So if that there is multiply in the left side, when you go to right side, it will be divide by 2. Okay. So when we L plus B, you will get 100 divided by 2. That is 50. But length, you know already, that is given 30. So 30 plus which number you will get 50? What you have to do? You have to do subtract. Now children, we got
20 meter.
20 what?
20 meter.
Meter. What is that? Breadth. Now children, you have to find the area. How to find the area?
L into B.
Length into breadth. Length is equal to, children, L is given 30.
30.
And breadth we have found out that is 20. Now length into breadth, do alone. Don't say the answer now. Many children, they are doing only the, still they are in the breadth. So let them,
We should write the 2 L plus B is equal to 100. That's the
otherwise, we should use the formula. Otherwise, how you will write? 2 into L plus B. Yes, you can write because when we write more times, we are learning the formula. So children, I'm going to write in the next page, breadth of the hole. breadth. Breadth is given. And now what we have to do? Area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Length is equal to 30.
30,
Breadth is
13 into 20.
3 twos are 6. Then add to 0.
0.
600 meters.
Square,
Square,
Square meter.
square meter. Why? Because this is area. What is the unit of area? We discussed in the beginning. That is square meter. Square meter. So
Can you
therefore
show
the
the
area of the
previous
rectangle.
slide?
Yes?
Can you show the previous slide?
Wait. Therefore, the area of rectangle (600 square meter).
Can you show the next page?
1 minute. So children, I will read again what is given. Question number 22A. The length is given. So the length of the rectangular hole is equal to 30 meter. Perimeter of the hole is also given. Perimeter of the hole is equal to 100 meter. So children, no need to write this LHS and RHS, okay? This LHS and RHS not needed. That I just explained. So 2 into L plus B is equal to 100. So L plus B is equal to 50. So like that you can find out breadth is equal to 20 meter. After that, what we had to do? Find the area. What is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. When you multiply 30 into 20, square meter. Here the children, the question they are not asking to convert or write in centimeter. So just need to write square meter. Okay. Next one, Chinmay, can you read question number B?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, you
yes.
should write there for the area of rectangular hole.
Rectangular hole also no problem.
Uh,
Area of rectangular hole. Okay, Chinmay?
The breadth, length, and volume of a matchbox are 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 15 cubic centimeter, respectively. What is the height of the matchbox?
So, what is given? Length, breadth, length, and volume. And what will you
Volume.
find out? The height. What is the formula to find the volume?
length
Length into breadth into
Length
height.
into breadth into
Length into breadth into height. Okay, so children, length into breadth into height is volume, and the 2 dimension that is given. What is given? Breadth and length is given. Only we have to find the height. Okay, children. So let's do together. First of all, what is given, you have to write the breadth of the matchbox, length of the matchbox. Find out from the question and write down the length of the matchbox, breadth of the matchbox. Look at the question, write down.
Ma'am, we need to write volume of the matchbox.
That also we will write. First we will write what is given in the first, the breadth. So we will write the breadth first, the breadth of the matchbox. Children, what is the shape of a matchbox?
5 centimeter.
What is the shape?
Cuboid.
So then only cube, volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay. So this is given 3 centimeter. It is given 3 centimeter. Now, length of the matchbox. The length of the matchbox.
Ma'am, it's given 5 centimeters.
The length of the matchbox. Length of the matchbox is equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. The volume of the box, that is also given. That also, what all things is given, that we are going to write first. Then only we will check what we have to find out. The volume of the box. The volume of the box is equal to 15 cubic centimeter. Now children, we can substitute volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid. What is the volume of cuboid? Yes? So find out children. Length into breadth into height is given as 15. Length we know. Breadth also we know. Now what we have to find out?
Height.
Height. Length, breadth, height is equal to 15 cubic units. So length is given as 5 into. Breadth is what? You can see here. 3. Yes. So here breadth is given 3. So we can, instead of breadth, we can write here. Now
Into
h
what?
we don't know.
Into what?
Into 1. Yes, 5 into 3 is 15. Here also 15. So 15 multiplied by which number you'll get?
Into
Length
1.
is
Into
1.
1.
So h is equal to
1.
1
centimeter.
centimeter.
1 centimeter.
Okay, so children, you can write 5 into 3 into 1, or we can write h is equal to
So,
h
5
is
into
equal
3
to
into
1 centimeter. 5 3s are 15 on the left hand side, and 15 is also there in the right hand side. So h is equal to 1
centimeter.
centimeter. So children, you can write therefore
Therefore,
the height of the matchbox. Therefore, the height of the matchbox height of the matchbox is equal to 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
Okay. Therefore, the height of the matchbox is 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
Okay, children. So, children, in this chapter, what all things we learned? What is area? What is perimeter? What is volume? Then, how to find the area? How to find the perimeter? How to find the volume? Now, children, if area, perimeter, everything is given, how to find the missing factor? Here, sometimes the missing factor will be a length. Sometimes it will be a breadth.
Breadth or height.
Volume, we can also find it is 3-dimensional. It is height. So children, I will send the notes after this class. So if anyone has not completed, I will send this question number 21 and 22 after this class. So is there any doubt in this chapter, children, area?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So what is perimeter? What is area? All definitions you have to study. That we discussed. Then we have to find out the formulas. Now in the next period, children, we will write down the questions in the revision work rough book of the same chapter.
Ma'am, so MCQ, for revision.
MCQ I will send later, not now today. MCQ I will send in the Google form, that will be in the evenings, but not today. 2 chapters together. Data handling and yes, children.
Ma'am, we can use like this rough books for revisions.
Which one? Yes, any rough book, it's no problem. So children, you have to practice when we do these steps, no? You have to practice with the steps, then only you can do the written exam. So written exam, all the questions model, we will do practice each chapter. Now children, can you tell me which chapter you have more difficult? We can start after this area. Do you have anything to say?
Ma'am, I have
Fraction 2.
Fraction 2.
Fraction
Fraction and decimals. We can start first after the area.
And data handling.
Fraction is
data handling. Ma'am, can you tell
no, ma'am, data handling. Ma'am, data handling.
Okay, that we will do. Data handling is very easy, but because of only that, this question
Ma'am,
one
can
was.
you do fraction?
Ma'am, the data handling method and all. confusions.
All the children. Okay, so next what we will do after area, we will start the data handling.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we will discuss. Okay, children, bye. Keep one
Bye,
rough
ma'am.
with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Whatever order, we will do all the chapter revision. No problem.
have the book.
Okay, ma'am.
That chapter. Anyway, we will do all the chapters as here revision. Okay, children, bye.